Hey Siri, play new No Pros RC.
Okay.
Oh, bruh.
What's up guys? So welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to tackle this, take it apart to see if we can figure out what's going on with it with regards to why it's not starting. I've tried everything I've known. Well, I've tried everything that I possibly know to start it, so, and it's just not happening. So yeah, we need to take it apart. So stay tuned. Here we go. So what I'm gonna do first is take this off. Well, first I'm gonna take the air filter off. Then I'm gonna take this guy off, and then work on the motor.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, it took me a minute to get it off of there, but it is indeed off of there. I didn't need to take the easy starter off, so that was a plus. I also took off some pieces at the bottom that I really didn't need to take off, but I wasn't too sure. Again, I am a new pro. This is my second motor that I am actually taking apart. The Traxxas that's in the other room, I actually took that apart, and it was the clutch bell that needed to be replaced. And on this guy, I'm not sure. I haven't actually diagnosed it yet, if I can diagnose it. The clutch bell thingy is in there. But if I remember, if this spins right, doesn't that mean that's good? I mean, because it spins freely. I could recall the last time, if it was the clutch bell issue, this wouldn't spin. So I don't think that's our problem. But I did see something over here that I'm not sure is normal. So you guys tell me what's missing here, or what's broken there. Hold on. Does something belong there? I swear something belongs there. I'm gonna have to look at my other RCs and see and compare, but I swear something goes there. Something there looks like it's broken, and I do remember him saying something about the carburetor, but I'm not sure exactly what it is. But I feel like something should be there. But yeah, in any event, it is out, and now the diagnostics can begin to see what the hell's going on. But I swear something right here, something's not right there. That's what I think. I don't know. But if you're new around here, hit that subscribe button, hit that like if you like this video, and also leave a comment as to if that's normal or not, because I don't know. And stay tuned for the next video. We will dive deeper into this. I'm gonna do a little more research and see what I can find out. And yeah, she is dirty. Clean her up before I put the motor back in there. But yeah, so we're making steps slowly but surely. But at least the motor's out, so we can begin. But hey, I'm super excited to try to figure it out, get it fixed, put her back together, and actually get her started and get her running. So stay tuned for part 2, and yeah, y'all be easy. No pros out.